So I just finished installing my seats. My friend actually did the welding for me on these. It was my kind of design. These are Chevy Tahoe seats. These are from a 2010, I think it is. These are the third row seats. And they're mounted to a 2008, roughly, E250 passenger van. So these mounts are welded to the floor, and they are going to be bolted as well, most likely, but honestly the welding is extremely strong. So that is how those are attached underneath there. I can do a video at a later date showing that. The base, so this is the rail from an E250, as well as this. This was a bench seat from an E250. I removed the seat padding material and modified it. These are the brackets that you see here from a Tahoe that had been welded. So that is how that operates. The reason I put these in the van, I wanted a seat belt at a 3-point, safe. That was a big concern, very hard to find. I can do another video on this at a later date. I wanted a seat that was foldable. Okay. You pull this lever here, and the seat folds flat. I wanted that because I'm going to have a bed at this height approximately. And so you can see that those will fold flat, and the bed will go from a half queen to a queen, or a half full to a full. I'm not sure yet what size I'm looking to do, but that's the general consensus. So these are mounted in my 2018 Ford Transit van. This is going to be a camper van, as well as I use this for work. This back area is for my storage for my tools. So typically I will have a case back here, and then I'll have some hand tools in some DeWalt boxes. I specifically made this at this distance for my personal needs. And then in the front section, this is 54 inches from the back here to just a little bit forward of the seat, somewhere about here. And that is for the bed. So that's the general area for that. On this side, there'll be, I'm not sure yet if I'm doing a battery bank along the side here or what, water tank or battery bank. I'm really not too sure yet, but that's the design that I'm going to do there. And so this is kind of the design of my Ford Transit van. So I figured I would show the seats and go into some detail about why I chose them. There's not really a lot of good seats on the market. The only other options are out of like a minivan or some other captain seats, third row seats. But the nice thing is that this will break down. So these pieces are all removable, so that one person can remove this from the van without breaking their back. So this seat comes out, this seat comes out, the base comes out, and then unclips from the rails. The rails are always mounted in here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you follow along and see the other builds that I'll be doing. I like to think outside the box, and I did this on a budget. I spent $100 on these seats, and I spent $150 on the brackets, as well as $150 for the rails. And my friend welded them up, and I'm going to be repaying him with some dent repair service. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.